What's up gentlemen, my name is Ahmed Hassan and today I want to show you guys how you can style your hair using the hair dryer. If you are new here in this YouTube channel, I make videos like this each and every week about men's fitness, health, styling, whatever it is to boost your confidence. Please check my content out. If you like it, please do subscribe so you will never miss any video that I post in the future. So guys, today's video is very simple. I'm gonna use a hair dryer, I'm gonna use a comb, I'm gonna use some product, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can style your hair at home using a hair dryer. So the stuff that you're gonna need, I'm gonna use this Garnier cream, apply a little bit on my hair, and then I'm gonna use this coconut protection mist from Lee Stafford. I'm gonna use it just to protect my hair from the heat that's coming out from the hair dryer. And of course, you will need a hair dryer. I know the color is fancy. And then I'm gonna use a comb like this one. So these are the things that you will need. Just applying a little bit of this Garnier cream. This step is very important because if you have hair like me, dry hair, it's very important because if not, your hair will be very dry after using the hair dryer and it will not look nice. Second step. It smells amazing. Okay, now I think I'm ready. In the beginning, I'm gonna use a normal comb, like this one. And then, I'm gonna do this for several minutes until my hair starts to dry out. Now I'm gonna start using this one. Now what you have to do is, when you start using this comb, you put it in your hair and then you just roll it to the back, like this. So it will be something like this. This movement, using the hair dryer at the same time as well. Now my hair is finished. It's straight, it's dry, but actually I don't comb my hair like this, I comb it like so. And now I'm gonna use a styling cream. Today I'm gonna use this styling cream. Take some. Rub it. Exactly. Gentlemen, this is how it looks like at the end. Looks very nice, very smooth, and it has like this matte look. If you are looking for a shiny look, you can use olive oil spray or something just to make it a little bit more shiny. Let me show you. Now I'm gonna use this spray, olive oil. You apply some. After you apply some, your hair will be shiny. Sometimes it's better to stay with this matte look. I mean, it's better to use this wax or whatever matte paste that you use. This one right now. I use some other brands as well. Or if you would like to go with a shiny look, this one is absolutely recommended. Some use sea salt oil or some argan oil. Whatever it is you like, you can use. Okay, gentlemen, this is how you style your hair with a hair dryer at home, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please check my content out on my YouTube channel. If you like it, please consider subscribing. I post videos every day about men's style, men's hair, fitness, whatever it is to boost your confidence and make you feel good. Gentlemen, you're amazing. See you next time.